Hi friends, many of you have requested me to show how to effectively use Zeta Breakout. So with the example of ACC stock, I will show you how you can take trades with the help of Zeta Breakout. Whenever you want to trade with the help of Zeta Breakout, select your target stock. For example, here I have opened the chart of ACC stock at a 30-minute time frame. As you can see here, there are two type of lines. Red line is resistance and green line is your support. Right now the price is just touching the resistance, and if this red line is breached, we will consider that uh, the resistance has been breached effectively, and the system will give a buy signal here. Let us see what happens in the next candle. The next candle is red, again red, but the support is not broken. Here this candle is going above the resistance, and you can see the red line has turned into green line now. Next candle makes a higher high over the resistance line, and now when this candle closes, you will see buy signal coming here. Now you see the buy signal has come, and if next candle starts green, you are supposed to take entry here. Let us see. Now one thing I would like to remind you, you are supposed to take entry here at this candle at 1345. But if in the unlikely circumstances some big red candle comes which hits your stop loss, just wait. Just wait for the re-entry. And let me draw a line for you here. This is the entry for you. When the price again crosses this blue line, you are supposed to take entry once again. Now see what happens. As you can see, there is a new resistance coming here. Let us see if the price breaches this new resistance or not. As you can see, there are some big red candles coming here, but no sell signal has come yet. Since your entry is here at the blue line, you are still in profit and you need not worry. You will exit only when the price breaches your purchase price. Now, as you can see, this candle has crossed the new resistance and this line has turned from red to green now. Again, you see, we started from here when the ACC price was 1397 and now the price has reached 1448. This is how you will use Jita breakout. Now let me show you how to exit and when to exit. You can see this was the high of this candle, and the system recognized that there is some resistance here, and one line was automatically drawn by the system. Let us see if sell signal comes here. Yes, the system has recognized that there is a lot of activity happening here. Volume is also more than average, uh, and conjectively, we can see two red candles making lower low after touching the resistance. So system has given a sell signal here. Let us see if we take entry here. Let me draw another line for you. You are supposed to take entry here. This is where you sell. This is 1482. Now let us see what happens. As you can see, you have taken your entry here at this level, and for a little while the price went below from 1482 up to here, 1468. So this dawn move, since this is a 30-minute candle, this dawn move gave you around 14 rupees profit in this candle. If you didn't place any cover order, uh, then price again went above your purchase price and your stop loss is supposed to hit this level, at this level. Now what will happen, if you exit when the price crosses your purchasing price, your loss is very limited. But since buy signal has not come, and if you want to take a re-entry for the sell, you will take re-entry if the price again comes below this blue line. Let us see what happens. No, you can see that instead of price coming downwards, another buy signal has been detected. So you are supposed to take entry here at this level, that is 1504, and if price again breaches this level, you will exit. You see, buy signal came here, and you are supposed to take entry around here 1502, and the price has reached up to 1520, that is 20 rupees. So if one lot of ACC is 1000 shares, then you this single candle is giving you 20,000 rupees profit in futures if you took the trade here. Now you can see, uh, it touched a high here, and the system recognized that there is a resistance. Now after touching this resistance, the system is showing you that we are witnessing lower low. Okay, now the sell signal has come, and since this candle didn't start as a red candle and didn't end as a red candle, you are supposed to avert the entry. And let me draw another line for you. See this orange line. The sell signal came at this candle, and low of this candle is 1506. So if price again comes below the closing price of this sell signal candle, you are supposed to make an entry. Let us see what happens. Now here this candle breaches the signal level, and you are supposed to take the entry here 15 at 1506 level. Let us see where it takes us. So as you can see, okay, as you can see, the we took the entry here at 1506 level, and the price reached up to 1473. That means you got nearly 33 points move here, and this was the previous resistance level marker by us. Since the price is bouncing back from here, you are supposed to exit with your profit.